You've watched 47 videos on making money with AI and you still haven't started. Not because you're lazy, but because nobody's answered the real questions that you're actually asking. How the hell do I even get clients? Or I have $100. Is that even enough? Everyone's doing this. Am I too late? Or I work 50 hours a week. I'm super busy. How am I going to do this in my spare time? Every video skips this part. They only show you the shiny business, but never the messy middle. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the messy parts. I'm going to show you 3 AI businesses to start in 2026 where I give you the exact client getting system, the real startup costs, and why you are not too late. Let's get into it. Guys, I want you to take a look at this. There are millions of these types of Facebook and Instagram posts and pages that are super, super boring. Look at this photo. It looks like it was taken with an iPhone 6. And a lot of these owners, it's not like they're lazy. They just don't have the time and they don't know how to make proper social media posts that actually stop the scroll. There's cookie companies, there's bakeries, there's handmade soap and candle shops. There's so many different companies who need your help, guys. They're looking for people like you because business owners are super stressed. They're super busy and they don't know anything about AI or just social media in general because there's TikTok and Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and there's so many different platforms that they actually don't have time to learn. And here's where you come in. Making social media posts for these businesses is not hard. With tools like KITTL, they make it super easy. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Yes, you can do it the old-fashioned way and go to Canva and edit and take hours and hours of editing. But if we come on the KITTL website, KITTL has merchandise. They have general marketing content. There's branding where we can create new logos or update the current logos of the business. And of course, there's social media marketing and social media posts. And this has literally thousands and thousands of already made, pre-made templates that you can use to create any social media posts that you want. But let me show you exactly how to create this from scratch using Nano Banana built right into KITTL. We're going to go up here and click on New Project. As soon as we have a new project, we're going to come down to this bubble here, click on it, click in the text box, and then click on this option here. And as you can see, KITTL has all of the greatest AI image generation models in the world, including Nano Banana Pro, ChatGPT image, there's Ideogram, there's Seedream, you name it, it's here. Cinematic shot of a giant chocolate chip cookie creature running through a busy city street, people running away in panic, cookie company logo prominently displayed on the billboard in the background, dramatic lighting, action movie style. Let's get it. Nice. I like this one here. Cool. So we want to put our very own logo or the logo of the company here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this and then we're going to click on remix. We're going to upload the logo here and we're going to say something like this. Replace the logo on the billboard with the logo that I am uploading, please. Perfect. Check this out, guys. Look at this. So we can take this and use this as a social media post. Just this. This is a scroll stopping social media post. That's absolutely perfect. Or we can take this, we can remove the background and have this guy left over and we can add him onto another social media post. Cookie, why you mad? So this can actually be a fantastic social media post because this is scroll stopping. Nobody does this. Cookie companies and bakeries do not do this. They don't make these type of ads. These are the type of ads that make somebody who has a million things going on at once stop when they're scrolling. Somebody who is a busy mother who's screaming at the kids while she's watching Netflix, while she's on TikTok. Cool. So we have this one. We have this one down here that we can use. Let's do another one just for fun. A cookie superhero wearing a cape made entirely of cookies, flying through downtown. Cookie company logo emblems on their chest like Superman's S symbol. Dynamic action pose, comic book style. Awesome. Check this one out. Super cool, colorful, imaginative, exciting. And of course, we can always change this any way that we want with prompting inside of the Nano Banana box here, but let's just keep it as is. So we've already developed 4 posts for social media that we can use with local businesses that are way better than their current posts. Let's talk about the 4 questions that people who talk about these types of businesses on YouTube never actually answer. The first question is this business saturated? No, it's not, but it will be. In 2-3 years from now, everyone's going to know about Nano Banana. But right now, 99.99% of the world do not know that programs like KITTL or Nano Banana exist. Question number 2, how much will this cost me to start? Well, next to nothing. I mean, if you charge a business $300 to $700 per month, monthly recurring revenue for social media posts, and it only costs you a subscription for Kittl, guess what? Your profit margin is massive. Question number 3. You have a full-time job. Maybe you have kids. Maybe you're super busy. How long will this take you per day? All it takes is 30 minutes to 1 hour per day. If you're on your lunch break or if you're at home doom scrolling or on Netflix, you can do this, guys. It's part-time. It's right up your alley. Here's how we get clients in a very easy way. Yes, you can go on Google Maps and manually search for people with low quality photos or inconsistent posting on their social media or bad photos on their website. You can do that, or you can search on Facebook and Instagram manually, which absolutely does work, but it takes a lot of time and it's not scalable. So how do we find businesses like this? We go to grok.com or we go to ChatGPT and we ask it something like this. Find me bakeries in, let's say, Macon, Georgia, have inconsistent posting and or low quality photos on their social media. Period. No excuses. I need you to find them for me. Search the entire area. Cool. In less than 5 minutes, it gave us different bakeries in Macon, Georgia that have less than quality photos on their social media or inconsistent posting schedules. Guys, send them an email, send them a Facebook or Instagram DM. The more companies and more businesses that you contact, the more chances you have of working with them. The second business idea is creating websites for local businesses. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't know how to code. I don't know how to create a website. I don't even know how to turn on my computer, which is fine, guys. And what I'm going to show you right now is a software that's free. And yes, you might have to pay for it as you get a little bit more advanced into your business. But to start, it's completely free. And you do not know how to build websites. You can build websites from a single sentence. Let me show you exactly how to do it. The website that we're using is called uware.com. So as soon as you get here, this is how you create a website. Make me a website about a cookie company called Cake, Cookies, and Company, and make it extremely cozy and comfy. Make the colors subtle, earth tones. I need it to have animated buttons. Check this out, guys. In less than 5 minutes, it created us an entire website, complete with pictures, with prices. I mean, obviously, you're going to need to change these prices in accordance to the company's prices and their pictures. But look at this, guys. Look at how perfect this is. It even has an order form for customers. On the bottom, there's the hours, there's the directions, there's the social media contact, everything that you want here. So if there's something that you don't like or you want to change, let's say you want to change the background, enter it in the box here. If you want to change the color of the buttons, the call to actions, the prices, anything you want to change, you can enter it in the box here. Or you can click on visual editing on the top here and select anything that you want to edit. So let's change this to cool little cupcake. Price, it's 2026, so cupcakes are around $19 each. So as soon as we're done with the website, we come up here and we click on publish. Now UWare automatically gives you a website name and the website is now live. You can sell this to business or you can have them put their own custom domain. It's as simple as that, guys. All right, now let's get into how to sell these businesses and all the other questions that you probably have. Number 1, is this business saturated? Is making websites for local businesses saturated? Yes, it's extremely saturated, but here's how you can stand out. Most people who create websites for local businesses charge anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per website. Plus, it takes them anywhere from 2 weeks to a month to a couple of months to complete the job. You, on the other hand, you can make a website in less than an hour and charge them $300, and that's it. Question number 2, can you do this part-time? Yes, absolutely. If you're on your lunch break, you can create an entire website within an hour, or when you get home, when you're watching the kids, or when you're cooking dinner, you can create a website instantly. Question number 3, how much will this cost me? Well, UWare is free to start, but if you really want to get deep into the business, it's going to cost you nothing and compared to what you can actually make with this. Question number 4, how do we contact clients? I'm glad you asked. Let's get into it. We're going to come to Grok and let's say we're looking for bakeries in Fayetteville, North Carolina. We're going to give it a prompt like this. Find bakeries in Fayetteville, North Carolina that either don't have a website or their website is extremely outdated and slow. I need you to give me their contact information via telephone, email, or social media link. Give me as many as you can. Thank you. I love you. I always tell Grok I love him because I do. I know it's weird. It's okay. It's 2026. Let's get into it. Cool. You now have a list of bakeries in Fayetteville, North Carolina without websites and bakeries with extremely outdated or slow websites. You can always ask for more, but this is a great list to start with. Contact them, tell them what you can do for them, give them samples of the website that you can create. The third idea is faceless YouTube channels. Now, I'm super passionate about this idea because I have one of the #1 best-selling courses in the world, and this is all I talk about all day, every day. Now, most people never start YouTube because they hate being on camera, or they don't know how to edit, or they don't have the time, or they don't want to buy cameras and lighting and cable. It's so complicated for the average person. And this, I completely understand. In 2026, with AI tools, you can skip all of that and still build a profitable channel. Now, here's how it works. You pick a proven niche, financial breakdowns, which, by the way, finances, there's so much money to be made here. AI history. And there's even nature documentaries of AI that are coming out. Use AI and ChatGPT to write your scripts, and then generate your videos using tools like Sora 2 and Google VEO3 to create hyper-realistic documentary-style videos. There's no filming, there's no stock footage hunting, there's no expensive editing software. Just you and a single text prompt. Consistency is the key, guys. Do not upload once per week and expect to go viral or expect to get monetized on YouTube very fast. It's not going to happen. I mean, it might, but it's very rare. You have to upload minimum one time per day. One time per day, whether it's short form video or long form video. The money here comes from multiple angles. You're not just relying on ad revenue. Ad revenue is only one way that you can make money on YouTube. There's affiliate links in your descriptions for relevant products. There's digital products like guides and ebooks to build an audience. And eventually, brand sponsorships. Channels in the right niche are hitting $3,000 to $10,000 per month quickly once they're established. If you liked the video, guys, then you're going to love my AI Income Weekly newsletter. It's a completely free newsletter that I send out once a week. This is meant for normal people like you and me to understand the latest and the greatest ways to make money with AI, broken down in a simple step-by-step fashion. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join now completely for free. If you guys want to check out KITTL and UWare, the link for those are also in the description. Alrighty, guys, like the video, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.